Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to make this salmon with a butter sauce. This is just butter sauce, not mixed with anything, like not basil, not garlic, just simple butter sauce. So let's get started. Start seasoning my salmon with the salt and black pepper. If you want, you can use a little bit of plain flour on your salmon. This is not must. Putting my salmon in the hot oil and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to flip them and let them cook for 3 more minutes. For my butter sauce, I use the same pan but wash it with water. Here I have white wine and lemon, and here I have butter. So I'm going to put first white wine on the pan. I'm going to put in the lemon juice. I'm going to leave this for 1 minute and then butter inside. So this is just one little piece of butter. So my sauce is almost ready. My sauce is ready. So I filmed the video even on how to make this pasta and broccoli. I'll put the link down below so that you can go watch this.